Hello, thank you for joining me. The question here says if a is equal to x plus 2 all over x minus 1, find 2a plus 3 all over a minus 1 in terms of x. Now, the solution to this is simple. Don't allow this to be confusing to you. Now, for us to solve this, what we are simply going to do is to write out this term here. That is 2a plus 3 over a minus 1. And it will be equal to, because we have to express this term, we have to find this term now in terms of x. So we have to replace this a so that we'll have an expression that is having x. And we already know that a is equal to x plus 2. Now let's see how we can really substitute the value of a here without making any mistake. So I have 2a, so it's going to be 2 multiplied by the value of a. A is x plus 2 all over x minus 1. And then plus 3. That is, this is 2a, and then plus 3. Then all over a, which is the same thing as x plus 2 all over x minus 1. This is a now, then minus 1. So minus 1. So we are going to simplify now. The process of simplifying it is what we have to be careful about. Now, if you look at this, 2 is multiplying this. So we can use this 2 to multiply this numerator here. And then we take this x minus 1 as the LCM of these two terms. So that will be equal to the 2 multiplied by x is 2x. And then multiply by 2 will give us 4. Then all over x minus 1. And then plus 3. Then all over this one here remains x plus 2 all over x minus 1. And then minus 1. So we are going to be simplifying the numerator and the denominator separately before we combine them together. So let me continue from here so that we'll have enough space to work with it. So the LCM here is x minus 1. So I'm going to take the LCM as x minus 1. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1. Then multiply by this 2x plus 4 remains 2x plus 4. And then this is, don't forget, this is like 3 over 1. So x minus 1 divided by 1 will still be x minus 1. And then multiply by 3 here. So it becomes plus 3 multiplied by the x minus 1. And then all over now, we are through the numerator. Let's move to the denominator. The LCM for the denominator is also x minus 1. And then x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1. Multiply by this numerator will give us x plus 2. So 1 multiplied by that will still give us x plus 2. And then this negative sign here, I have to be careful with it. So this is like 1 over 1. So x minus 1 divided by this 1 will give us x minus 1. Sorry, will give us, yes, will remain x minus 1. And then multiply by this 1 up. So I still have 1, that 1 up, multiply by this x minus 1. So now, let me simplify further now. Using this numerator here, let me expand. So if I expand that, I have 2x plus 4. Then I'm using this 3 to expand this now. 3 multiplied by that will give us plus 3x. And then 3 multiplied by negative 1 will be negative 3. Then all over the x minus 1, which is the denominator. And then over This one here now, let me also expand this. I have x plus 2, and then this negative 1 multiplied by x will give us negative x, and then negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 will give us positive 1, and then all over x minus 1. Now, don't forget this numerator here is dividing this denominator here. So what we can do now is to change this division sign. Don't forget this is the division sign now. This particular line is the division sign. So I'm changing this division sign to multiplication sign. So when I change this division sign to multiplication sign, I'm going to invert this denominator. Don't forget, according to the rule of dividing fraction. So when you divide fraction, you know that the right hand side has to be flipped. The numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. So because of that, let me write this upper part first. 2x plus 3x will give me 5x. So I have 5x. And then positive 4 minus 3 will give me positive 1. And then all over what I have as the denominator there, which is x minus 1. And then this division sign, this line now, which is showing which is the division, I'm changing it to multiplication. So in doing that, I have to flip this one. This x minus 1 becomes the numerator, and then all over this part now becomes the denominator. Now this part is x minus x is 0. So this positive x and negative x makes x minus x to become 0. And then I have 2 plus 1, which is 3. So it becomes over 3. Then now, this one is exactly equal to this. So they can cancel. Once they cancel, what I'll be left with finally will be this numerator here, which is 5x plus 1. Then all divided by what I have left on the denominator, which is 3. And this becomes the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to join me in my next video as well. Thank you for watching.